All right, Rankin family, I'm excited to bring to you this beautiful Perry Homes right here in Sienna. Now, this is the Valencia model. It's over 4,000 square feet, and I can't wait to show you this property. If you know or you've been a part of this channel for a while, you know I bring Perry Homes quite often, but we never seen anything quite as unique as this one. We've seen Newmark Homes that had something similar with the courtyard in front, but by Perry Homes, you don't see it often, and I can't wait for you to see this one. So on the exterior, we're gonna have this beautiful white stucco, not to mention you are gonna have your garage bay over here to the right, as well as a single garage bay over here. Now, the one thing I really love about this property is that you are gonna have this courtyard immediately when you walk in. So you may be wondering, why does this look different? Where's the actual garage and why is there landscaping in the front? Well, this is the model house. As you folks know, if you've been a long-term viewer of the channel, I bring you guys the model houses so you see it dressed up. But look at this courtyard. You do have the fireplace right here with the multi-tone stone right there. You have tile inside of here as well. The one thing I really love about this courtyard is that it is practical from a standpoint as if there's multiple people being entertained out here, right? So if you have a large family or you're having a family gathering, this is a perfect area. So let's go ahead and go inside. And this is going to be your foyer. So immediately you are going to have the curved staircase with the rotunda-like ceiling as well. Right here to the right will be your formal dining room. But what we'll do is we'll continue this way. Right there would be the garage. In the mud room, it would be converted. And then inside of here would be your guest bedroom. So look how much space you have inside of here. They usually call it like a next gen living. So that way, let's say for instance, if you have some guests that are coming in the garage, they immediately go right inside of here and don't have to disrupt anything whatsoever. So I'll do a quick pan. And you know, Perry Homes is one of the fan favorites. Everyone loves Perry Homes. They really have nothing but great things to say about them. You have a nice size walk-in closet. And this one does have a full size bathroom. So you do have the walk-in shower. You have that brass shower head. You have the tile shower surround inside of here. You have quartz countertops with the beautiful wooden mirror frame. I absolutely love mirror frames. It's one of my things that I love. And then not to mention you have this brass chandelier right over your bed. Of course, you do have the windows so that way you can see outside. Now let's go ahead and go to the formal dining room. So inside of here, you do have an abundance of natural light. You have the candlelight chandelier right over your dining room table. And you definitely have plenty of space inside of here. I mean, for a Thanksgiving dinner or something of that nature, you would have plenty of space for all your guests. So I'll do a quick pan right here. So far I'm loving it. Right there, of course, would be the access to the kitchen, but let's go ahead and go to the study. So inside of the study, you are going to have that shiplap right there. You have the baseboards that extends around here, and you have access to see outside the courtyard. So French doors, like I said, I mean, inside of here, you definitely have plenty of space. If it's something where you work from home, this will be a perfect model for you. A lot of the ones that I've showcased by Perry Homes, they do have over 3,000 square feet. The good thing about this one is you have over 4,000, which is insane. This is the first time we've seen this on this channel, Perry Homes this large. So of course you have that closet right there. Let's go ahead and go down this hallway and then we'll make our way back around. So this is a huge model, so keep that in mind, folks. So inside of here would be that garage that we talked about. As you can see right here, you go inside of here, you will have your utility room. So the one thing to note about this model is it's not a utility mudroom combo, but really, I think it's still practical. Because if you notice, you have that mudroom over there and the utility room over here. And then you have a large size walk-in closet connected to the primary bedroom. But before we do that, let's not get ahead of ourselves. Let's continue along, and then we'll make our way back out through that way so you can see the great room. Before we go into the primary, this is going to be the full-size ensuite. So if you notice, you got his and hers countertops right here. They're quartz. And then you have the large soaking tub right here. I love the glass pane seeing through to the walk-in shower. So this is another closet. Obviously you saw the one that was connected to the utility room. Fellas, that would probably be for us right there, because you know the ladies are gonna have to get the bigger closet. Depending, I mean, maybe you might have a bigger closet or need a bigger closet if you have a bigger wardrobe than your lady. That's different though. All right, and so inside of here, you do have the waterfall shower head. You have the shower bench as well, black hardware inside of here. And then of course, this is what we just saw going into the utility room. So you definitely have plenty of space inside of here. I love it. And you do have two closets right here. Oh, no, you don't. Actually, you have, this is gonna be your toilet and then your closet right here. So you have one closet, but two actual closet, wardrobe closets. So going inside of here, this is going to be your primary bedroom. So you definitely have plenty of space. You have the mini tray ceilings on top with the LED ceiling fan. From a practical standpoint, look how much space you have inside of here. King size bed, 2 nightstands, 2 chairs, a table, and a dresser. You still have plenty of space. The one thing I would really love to see in this one, which I know that's more of a Coventry deal, is the bay windows when it kind of extends outward a little bit, but I definitely won't take no points away from Perry. So you have these brass lighting fixtures right over your nightstands. I absolutely love that. And folks, if you are a returning viewer, welcome back. Always great to have you. And if this is your first time to the channel, my name is Marcus Rankin. I am a Texas realtor. I get calls, texts, and emails every single week from folks looking to make a move out to Texas. So if you are in that bucket now or in the future, you can reach out to the information below. You can schedule a call to get you taken care of, regardless if it's Houston, San Antonio, Austin, El Paso, you name it, we got you taken care of. So don't hesitate to reach out. So this is going to be your oversized great room. You have the tall ceilings inside of here, clear story windows with the tray ceilings and the large size LED ceiling fan coming down. You have the floor to ceiling fireplace over there as well. And then all the built-in cabinetry. You have the storage shelves as well to add plenty of decor. And you have these sliders, which adds the perfect blend inside of here. I love that. And then let's do a pan so you can see how large it is. So open concept, which we so much love. The tall ceilings creates that larger feel. You know, when you're in here, you just feel like you have plenty of space. It's not snug whatsoever. So going inside of the kitchen, you are going to have the waterfall quartz countertops, and it's a large island, which I love. You have the brass lighting fixture right coming over your island. You have this beautiful stacked cabinets on top, the wooden range hood. You have a 6-burner stainless steel grill. Look at this. You really can't get much better than this. I want to make sure I pan because sometimes I get too into talking and I don't get to really showcase the property too well. So I'll make sure to do so. You have your breakfast nook over here. The one thing I love about Perry is that you have all these windows right here, which adds an abundance of natural light, which we talk about all the time. Look at that. Fantastic. I absolutely love it. And I got a comment that asks if we can open up the counter or the cabinet. So I'll definitely do that for you. So that's what we're working with in there. This is the drawer space. Yes, and then so of course you do have the double oven right here, stainless steel. You have the built-in microwave. This is going to be your pantry right here. And then you have the butler's pantry, like a chef's kitchen over here, out the way, butler's pantry. So this is perfect. From a practical standpoint, if you don't want to create a mess in the kitchen, especially like on a Thanksgiving, you know, you might be snapping pictures all the time and you really want to keep the house tidy, that'll be a perfect place for you. So that's going to be the first level. Let's go ahead and go up the curved staircase. You do have this beautiful chandelier right here. And let's go ahead and take a look at the second level. Before we do that, this would be the look from the second level over the great room. Let's go ahead and go to the right, see the rest of the bedrooms. Inside of here, you have the tray ceilings right here as well. And then I'll make sure to open every single door so that way we don't miss anything. I tend to do that sometimes, so I'm trying, folks. All right, let's go into the next bedroom. So inside of here, you do have that sitting area over there, which I absolutely love. Obviously, you can see how much space is inside of here. It's not the biggest, but quite frankly, it'll definitely do, especially the fact that you have this area over here. So some folks may utilize it as another sitting area, or I can see folks putting a desk right over there. So that way more light can enter inside of the room. Have a walk-in closet. And then this is the full-size bathroom. Shower tub combo with the stainless steel shower head. Quartz countertops extends in here. Now, the one thing I like in here, I haven't seen that often, but you have the stainless steel hardware with the gray cabinetry. I like that. Mirror frame, stainless steel lighting fixture, and inside of here, you have this window. In case it gets a little funky in here, you can go ahead and open that up. All right. So continuing along, let's go ahead and go to the next bedroom. This is what we're working with. So this one's a little bit more snug, I'll be honest with you. But as you can see, the furniture kind of fit in here. So you have two windows inside of here. You have this queen size bed with two nightstands and this dresser. You can easily, instead of this large dresser, you can half the size of this. It'll fit perfectly. You might be able to put it right here and then you'll still have all this walk room right here. So that's something to consider. You have this beautiful lighting fixture over your bed. This one does have a full-size bathroom again and a walk-in closet. Shower tub combo inside of here. Let me know in the comments what you folks think. Do you like the shower tub combo in the bedrooms, or would you rather just a full walk-in shower? I'd love to hear your thoughts. I would assume that most folks, just based on my experience, they would, in some of the bathrooms, they would just want the walk-in shower, and then other ones, you may want the shower tub combo. So really just personal preference. So inside of here, you are going to have your game room. So you definitely have plenty of space inside of here. Obviously, you see we got the pool table. We got the built-in shelf over here. So you definitely have space inside of here. And quite frankly, I mean, Perry Homes right here in Houston, I really get nothing but great feedback from clients that have lived there for 3, 4, 5 years inside of a Perry Homes. They have nothing but great things to say about them. So that's why I have no problem whatsoever bringing you folks Perry Homes, because they definitely live up to their name, which is fantastic. There's other builders that I consider bringing to the channel, but I get negative feedback, so I definitely would never do that, and I never want to steer you in the wrong direction. So inside of here, this is the media room. I would definitely probably replace these French doors with French doors without the glass inside of them, just so you can kind of create more of that, theater-like ambiance. A lot of times if you're watching a movie, you really don't like a lot of sunlight. That's probably the only room that you don't want a ton of windows in, but I'd love to hear your thoughts. All right, inside of here, you got a shared bathroom, shower tub combo, again, quartz countertops. And inside of here, you do have the white cabinetry with the stainless steel hardware. And this is your final bedroom. So again, very similar to the first one that we saw up here. You have this sitting area. You definitely have plenty of space for a full bedroom set, which is fantastic. And then of course, wouldn't be right without a full-size walk-in closet. So that was pretty much the entire second level, folks. Now you know I always like to end my tours in the backyard, so we'll go ahead and go there. But this will be your view exiting the second level. I'll make sure to showcase over the front foyer. That's what we would be working with. I love the fact that you have the curved staircase inside of here. I can see most folks saying that they love the gray ceramic wood-like tile. I'd love to hear your thoughts about that. And let's go ahead and go to the backyard. So the good thing inside of here, you do have the sliders as well as this quick access door right here to your backyard. And I almost fell. And then this is your backyard right here. So as you can tell, you got the extended covered backyard patio, LED ceiling fan right here. And this is what you're working with. So yeah, I think, I mean, really, like I said, I wanted to bring you folks this one because this is a unique property by Perry. I've seen some that have the courtyard. Of course, it's usually Newmark, but you know, I want to bring you folks the best of the best so that way you can get the exclusive access and a sneak peek. But other than that, folks, that was the lovely Perry Homes. All right, Rankin family. So that was the lovely Perry Homes by Valencia. I just got the inventory sheet, so we do have some that are available. So if you do want more information about this plan, reach out to the information below. We'll definitely get you taken care of. But quite frankly, I mean, this is what we're looking like. This is the area. So as you can tell, they're going to be building pretty soon. And not to mention, behind this model house, they're actually in the process of building right now. So they're going fast. This was a nice one. I'd love to hear your thoughts below. And like I said, folks, if it's something where you are thinking about moving to Dallas, Houston, San Antonio, Austin, you name it, in Texas, we'll get you taken care of. Reach out to the information below. We'll get you connected to the right local expert. And I'll see you folks on the next property tour.